Dear learners, we are aware about the recent outbreak of coronavirus called COVID-19. Millions of people in almost all the countries are suffering by this pandemic for the past few months, and we are not certain when this pandemic will be over. This has resulted in unfortunate deaths of a large number of people globally. COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by the most recently discovered coronavirus. This new virus was unknown before its outbreak began in China in December 2019. That is why it was called the novel coronavirus. In India too, several thousands of people has been reported sick due to the infection by this virus, and it has caused deaths of many people. As it is an infectious disease, the country observed lockdown for several months. People were advised to stay at their homes. Markets, offices, schools, colleges, means of transports remained suspended. The children, older adults and persons with diseases related to heart, diabetic, hypertension are more vulnerable. Even pregnant ladies are more prone to this disease. However, the process of unlocking has started in a phased manner in the country, and various activities are resuming. The schools will also sooner or later start functioning in the country. In this context, it is essential that school leaders, teachers, teacher educators, parents, community members develop an understanding about the nature of this disease and also the precautions to be taken to save students and themselves from getting infected by this disease. We are aware that COVID-19 is transmitted through direct contact with respiratory droplets of an infected person generated through coughing and sneezing. Individuals can also be infected from touching surfaces contaminated with the virus and touching their face, for example, eyes, nose and mouth. Even instances have been reported that some people infected by the virus do not show any symptom. To prevent the potential spread of COVID-19 in school settings and to protect the children and other school functionaries, certain precautions are necessary. However, care must also be taken to avoid stigmatizing students and staff who may have been exposed to the virus.